This here, my friends, is the EVGoer J1772 Level 1 Portable Charger 16 amp max. And this thing rocks, and I'm gonna tell you why. My name is Merch Batista, and this is Charging the Road. So the good folks at EVGoer actually sent me this charger for me to review. Now, disclaimer, I've actually tested this product well beyond just 2 weeks. I've actually tested this for the last 3 months over the past summer. And I gotta tell you right now, this is actually quite impressive. In comparison with the portable charger I had, the King with the Ford Mustang Mach-E, this thing is actually really, really good. And I'm gonna explain you why. But first, we're gonna have a look what's inside this box. So when you receive your portable charger, it comes in this very, very nice black box with their logo right here. And of course it says, anywhere you go. They really mean that. You can actually take this anywhere you go. Again, it's 16 amp max J1772 charger. So what comes in a box, as we open this up, it will come with this very nifty carrying case. So it doesn't have to be with the box, it could just be the carrying case. So we're going to unzip, and what comes in a carrying case here, you got your manual, and then here is your charger. Here's your main charger. So it's actually wrapped up, and I'm going to show you this, guys, in a second. And now after unwrapping all the plastic, now you have this very gorgeous but very simple looking EVGo charger. Now in the back here, it's going to show you the instructions as far as like the light is concerned, and you can actually see it right here. It'll show you like the different warnings, like if it's like working, if it's not working. So that's actually very helpful for when you need to just see what's going on with the charger. But right out of the box, it should work. And also, you have the different specifications of the EVGo portable charger. For example, the max input output voltage is between 110 volt and 240 volt. You also have the 15 amp, 16 amp configuration, and of course temperatures and all that stuff. So that's actually going to be really, really good. And then this your charger right here, so you can hear a little bit of clicking right there. And it does come with a cover, which is great, you know, just so dust won't get into it and whatnot. Although I do see like a little bit of a red wire exposure right here, but it does cover, so whenever you don't use it, it's actually attached to the side right here, so you won't lose it. But yeah, I love having a cover for this because it will keep the dust off and it will help protect the connectors. And then last but not least, you have your 620R plug. Now this plug is what's going to help you get 16 amp max charging, which will typically be a little bit faster than your typical household outlet, but it does come with the adapter. If you plug this in to a 15.5 regular household outlet to 120 volt regular household outlet. So like this configuration, it should work. All right, so I've been using this for quite some time now, and so far I'm really liking it. First of all, the very simple design on the charger itself is actually quite good. So you can actually tell right here, that's actually the logo. So when that is on, indicates that the charger is actually on and activated. Now, there's a light right here. Basically, it's set to blue. Basically, it means that the charger is ready to be plugged into your electric vehicle or your plug-in hybrid. So I'm actually going to demonstrate that for you. But first, I just want to show you the cord on this is actually quite long, about 25 feet. So you really should not have any problems whatsoever as far as like reaching your outlet to your charger plug. So I'm going to demonstrate this for you. First, we're going to take the cap off, go ahead and plug it into your electric vehicle or your plug-in hybrid, and I hear the clicks. Let's have a look at the charger, and there you go. You see now the light has turned green, and in fact it's flashing green. Flashing green means it's charging. Now when this is solid green, it indicates that the charger is complete. It means it's fully charged your electric vehicle or your plug-in hybrid, and then you should go ahead and unplug immediately. Now again, I've been using this for quite some time now, and so far I am liking it. There's a couple things to note. First of all, the durability on it is just quite good. This is actually a little light than I thought it would be, which is a little easier to handle. The cord itself is quite manageable. It's not too heavy. It's not too light either. Now the charging plug, the handle, it's not the greatest. It doesn't have like a premium feel to it. It's a little plasticky, but at the same time, it doesn't feel too hollow. However, the one thing I will note though, is that when I was trying to plug it in and even plug it out, unlatch it, I had a little bit of a tough time plugging it in, and also especially plugging it out, because it feels a little too snug. So that's something you may have to be aware of. But at the end of the day, you have the choice to bring this with you on road trips, use this on occasional times or whatever. I think this is actually a great choice. Now I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. So what are my overall thoughts of this level 1 portable charger by EVGoer? Well, I think this is actually a fantastic choice. Now listen, if you own a full EV, more than likely it will come with a portable charger, but if it doesn't, I highly recommend getting this, because long-term review, this has been pretty durable. I think it actually works really, really well. And the pricing is actually quite reasonable too. Now, this actually will benefit you mostly if you work from home, if you work remotely from home, someone who doesn't travel too often, or even someone who does go on road trips, you can have this with you in the vehicle as you're traveling along. Like say, for example, if you are traveling in the middle of Michigan, you can actually plug this in over the weekend into a regular household outlet, or even you can go to a camping site, charge there, just a little bit of juice. Hey, a little bit of juice is better than nothing, to be honest. Now, actually, I really think this would benefit a lot from plug-in hybrid vehicle owners, like your Chrysler Pacifica, your Toyota RAV4 plug-in hybrid may actually benefit this a lot. But this product is actually quite good. I love the content that comes in the box, comes with a bag and everything. And keep this in mind that this is a 16 amp max portable charger, so you can squeeze out just a little bit more than just 1.2 kilowatts per hour. But overall, I love this product. I think I would highly recommend getting one of these. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below, so you guys can pick one up here, and you're going to love it. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more EV content. Until the next one, guys, have a good one and stay smashing.